Matt here with Big Pine Sports. Today we are looking at all of the Yamaha RMaxes. We have quite a few of them over here, as you can see. The Extreme, the XTR, the Limited. Actually, this one is the Limited Compact, which means it doesn't have the full bed on the back as some of the others do, but you do have the adjustable seats in the back. Awesome colors, room for four. I mean, just all around go anywhere machines. But we have quite a few of those, but I wanted to show you the top 5 accessories that folks put on these machines when they buy them. And we have one, this is our Limited Compact right here, that has a few of the things on here that I wanted to show you, the things that folks are putting on these. So first off is the USA windshield. So this one is the glass up there. So there's glass polycarbonate. So they're doing the front windshield, but then also they're doing a rear window here in the back that you can put on there to fully enclose the cab. Well, not fully enclosed, but gives you a lot of wind protection front and rear. So next thing that wanted to show you, folks are doing the Ryco street legal kit on here. Let's hop in here real quick, see if we can get this one up and going for us here. There we go. Turn our key on. Now obviously with the Limited we have the Fox iOS suspension, so all you got to do is click that button right there, it fires it up. They've got an awesome system in here that comes with MTX audio above us here. We won't get into that, but oh, there we go, got it fired up. So this is, look at that, look how bright that is. The street legal kit that you can get from Ryco. So definitely an upgrade here. Left side, you got your hazards on here. So as you can see with the RMax, it's extremely visible, integrated with the rear turn signals and the front lights, which is really nice. Turn that off there. There we go. All right, we'll turn this off. So not only with that street legal kit with the turn signals and everything, they add the mirrors to it. So these are the Yamaha mirrors. You've got the side mirrors here, you've got the big rear view mirror up top, and that side view mirror is there, excuse me, as well. So one of those things that people add to this, obviously we'll talk about it again, front and rear window mirrors, which you know they can get without the street legal kit, but the street legal kit, obviously you're going to want those mirrors on there as well. And one of the things that they're adding to these that we won't worry about with the Compact, but over here with the regular RMaxes that have the beds in them, a lot of folks are either putting a cargo box or the Yamaha rear rack that goes inside of these. So this is the Limited with the tilt bed on it, so they're putting the racks in the back of here or the back of that, or the cargo boxes. So all that stuff we can get for you here. We can install it here for you. You know, if you want to come in and buy one of these machines, we can get all that stuff added. Now, one of the last things that folks put on here that we don't have on here right now are upper doors. So you've got the Limited lower door here, but then the upper doors from Yamaha, it's a hard shell right here, but it also has the plastic, so you can, you know, open the window there, or the plastic window for you, so you can open that there. But it takes the door handles from being on the inside here and puts them on the outside out here, so you've got pretty much a full door that you can open your RMax with. There you go. Now if you want to come out and check out, you guys, we've got here, let's show you a picture from the front. We've got RMax is right here, right here, right here, up here. There's a whole line of them over here. Actually, let me show you one of my most favorite colors that we have so far of the RMax. This one right here. Totally different from the blue that you see most of the RMaxes in. Is that green right there. That is a good looking machine. I like that one quite a bit. So if there are questions, put those in the comments down below. If you want to come and take a look at one of these, we are located in Fairview, Utah. Definitely come and check it out. If you want to know more about the accessories, we can answer those questions for you when you get here. So give us a call or shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. Come check out the Yamaha RMax. Again, massive selection. Come on down and take a look at them. And if you have questions, bring them down, get them answered while you're here, and check out the Yamaha RMax. I'm Matt with Big Pine Sports, and we will see you in the next one.